Hi team, it's Bob here. This is how far I've got on my 170 into a 50 frame. I've just set it up on blocks. That's the 170 motor there. And those are my bob brackets, bob hangers, that's the ones. And I got it to an angle that's nice. There's a whole heap of adjustments. The hangers, you can see there, the spaces of the old 50 things, you cut them to suit, and I can move those there back, move the motor backwards and forwards, and then I can move the motor sideways like that. Yeah, and then with their adjustments here I can move the motor up and down. But that's in a 50 frame, and it looks like that needs, I may need a slightly longer shock, but we'll see. That's progress. Ciao.